Okay, today we're going to be doing an entrenching tool, and this can be used for anything. This particular one will probably be for metal detecting, but you can use this for anything, camping, whatever. And we'll break down how I built this. And first thing I want to show you is the tapered bevel on this scoop, because I've hammered a bevel on it. And the scoop itself is stainless steel, very heavy duty steel plate. It's about 12 gauge, I think. And this handle, also stainless steel. This was a handle off an old vintage tool that I cut down. And this handle is heavy duty threaded rubber. This was an old hydraulic line cut down. And the loop on the end to tie a paracord or to tie this off or anything, this was an old lock latch. And the purpose of this channel is to show you how to build things yourself better than you can buy and for almost no cost. And I hope you all get that, and please subscribe by all means. And entrenching tools can be very expensive, or they can be very cheap, and they can be really junk and bend and fall apart. And so I wanted to make something really heavy duty here. And this prototype is actually about 50% scale of the one I'm going to build. I was just working out some ideas. So let's keep going into how I built this. So going to the shovel pan, right there I've flattened it down so that it'll go right into the dirt easy right here. Hammered it down. And all three edges here I've sharpened so it'll go right through tree roots or whatever I'm shoveling through, or I can actually use this as a machete or hatchet if I wanted to. Two heavy duty bolts, and these were countersunk in a little bit. I drilled a hole and then a bigger hole so they countersink in and go down nice on that pan. And then all these bolts were epoxied off to thread lock them. And this little end cap I pushed in epoxy right there just to seal it all up. And this rubber handle, by the way, on this tubing shaft before I applied it, I put waterproof epoxy on there and then slid it on so this isn't going to be all sliding around. And there you go, a heavy duty entrenching tool. This took, I don't know, maybe a half hour or something to make. Very heavy duty, saved me a ton of money. Think about it, think how you'd like to design one, and go out and do it. All the tools I used for this, by the way, were just a drill press, an angle grinder, and some wrenches, and that was about it. This is all recycled parts. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.